this is just a quick video to show you how to make mayonnaise from scratch. 1 egg. And some sunflower oil. Gotta kind of put it up to 2/3 of where the egg was. Maybe about that much. Then all your seasoning, a little tiny bit of vinegar. Just the white vinegar. You can get this at Costco. Just to taste, we're using pink Himalayan salt. Onion powder. Garlic powder. That's it. There you've got mayonnaise. Now the key was not to move this device round, around, around. You had to keep it still from the beginning to the very end. Now you just do a taste test. So look at that. Super duper thick and creamy. Look at that. Okay, proper mayonnaise. Yeah, just 1 whole egg in there, and so depending on the salt and the vinegar, it's to taste. So maybe if you wanted a little more vinegar or salt, just stir it in now with the spoon. I wouldn't go back really with this in case you make it runny, possibly. I haven't tried. Okay, happy mayo making. Oh, this is really good if you mix some mayo with tomato ketchup and then some chili, and then you've got real combinations of different sauces. Bye.